Welcome to spring training, one of the great inventions in history. You may think we're kidding, but ask anyone who had to pick up a snow shovel in the last week if they think we're kidding. It may be tempting to say, what about the wheel? What about the microwave? What about the iPhone? What about TikTok? Oh yeah, we say. What about palm trees swaying in the breeze as Shohei Ohtani whomps batting practice moonshots wearing Dodgers blue for the first time? Top that. Spring training is that thing we wait all winter for. That thing we know we can turn to after all the Super Bowl ticker tape. And Kelsey Brothers podcast tape has finished dropping out of the sky. It is when we can finally begin learning the answers to the most pivotal questions in life. Does Corbin Burns thrive on a diet steeped in crab cakes? Will Juan Soto hit number 4 in the Bronx or just ride the number 4 train to the Bronx? Will Mike Trout find health and happiness or just free tickets to Disneyland in post-Ohtani Anaheim? Will Blake Snell and Cody Bellinger find a job before Saquon Barkley? It will be a while until we know these things. But spring training is where the search for those answers begins. Good luck dodging this team. Isn't it reassuring in these turbulent times to know that all it takes is a mere $1.1 billion to turn your fun little baseball squad into the talk of 2 continents? That's roughly what the Dodgers guaranteed to their 8 big league free agents this winter, not counting deferred money accounting measures. And while it may not guarantee them a parade, it 100% guaranteed them they'd win one thing they always dreamed of. This survey. We asked our panel to vote on the most improved teams in each league. Take a wild guess. Who ran away with the National League half of that vote? Most improved teams. NL, Dodgers. 31 Diamondbacks. 20 Cardinals. 12 Braves. 11 Reds. 11. What a stunner, huh? Every single voter put the Dodgers on their most improved list. And just to make the point, a couple of voters tried to figure out if there was a place to rank them higher than first on that list. One NL exec laid out his top 3 this way. Los Angeles Dodgers, Oklahoma City Baseball Club, their AAA team, Tulsa Drillers, their AA team. Another voter went with this top 3. Dodgers, Dodgers, Dodgers. Okay then, we get your gist. Take a 100-win behemoth. Add the first $700 million free agent in history, Ohtani. Welcome back Walker Buehler. Trade for Tyler Glasnow, and throw another $136.5 million at him just for kicks. Move Mookie Betts to second base full-time, and sprinkle in the first $325 million Japanese import since, the Toyota Motor Corp? And voila, that's how you too can win the winter. But can the Dodgers also win the April to October portion of these festivities? Our panel seemed slightly upbeat on that. How many games will the Dodgers win? 130? They won 100 games last season, and they're the most improved team. Wow, how do you do that? Easy. You do that with $1 billion. Look, I work for a lower budget NL team, so in some ways I can't stomach the Dodgers.